Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We have finally got issue 28. The reason this is late is because it wasn't in my news agents last week, so they had to specially order it in for me. But yeah, I finally got it in. So I'll be putting issue 28 out today and 29 I'll put out tomorrow because I have got a 29 next to me. So let's take a look in the magazine and get started. So we're going to be continuing assembly on the left and right shoulders today. We're going to be putting the shoulder blade on. Yeah, there, and then we're going to be building bits for the left shoulder just here. A Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is silent running. And our Real World Science is at the back. And what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and finally start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of the packaging. These are the bits that we get. We get a spring that we're not going to be using this issue, so this will be used in tomorrow's issue. We get 3 screws, these 2 little pieces here, which are going to be the hinge for this shoulder blade here, which is plastic. And we get this piece here and a little sleeve as well. First off, we're going to need to bring in this part that we have from issue 27. We're going to bring that back in, and we're going to need this side here, because what we're going to do is we're going to drop in this rubber sleeve all the way down, just like that. Next up, we're going to bring in this, and you want it this way around, this way up, and it's going to be sitting like that. You can line up the hole just here, and what you're going to need this piece here, and you're going to be slotting this down here through the pin at the other side. So make sure you've got the hole lined up, push it through. Can be quite stiff to push through, but just persevere. Okay, so we've got that in there. Let me tell you, that was not easy to get in there. That took some pushing. I didn't want to break this piece, so what I did was I had it like that. It took some pushing through this sleeve. This sleeve is going to hold it on. It does articulate open and closed, but it's not a loose connection. When you put it like that, it will stay like that. So yeah, very happy. This piece is the next piece. It's going to be going on. We don't have to glue this. It does say it's a push fit connection. So what to do is just push that in there, and that's going to get held like that. And that is as done with the right shoulder for now. So what do we need? We need to bring back one of our old bits from the previous issue again, which is this one here. And we're going to be fitting this piece. So again, very similar to what we did before. So you want to have it this way up, get this, and you want to put it in that way, and you want to have the holes. You've got 4 holes. You've got 2 raised holes and 2 holes at the back. Have the 2 raised holes side by side with the 2 flat holes facing up. Doesn't really matter, but that's what it wanted us to do. So what we're doing next is we're getting this piece, we're bringing this back in. This is going to sit on the opposite side, and we're going to be screwing this in with 2 screws. So this is going to fit onto here. So we've got our 2 pins, 1, 2, and our screw holes. So there are our screw holes, there are our pins. Line it up, push it in, grab yourself a screwdriver and a screw and start screwing. Let's get the first one in. Last one. Just like that. And that is what you should be left with after issue 28. It's this, your spring, and this piece here. So join me tomorrow when we're looking at issue 29. Let's have a look and see what is in 29. Right. 29, we're continuing on the left shoulder. So very similar to what we did with this side. We're going to be putting all these bits in on the left shoulder. So join me then. That will be out tomorrow morning. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.